Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the new update on Verasity. After the breakout from this descending triangle, and this is the triangle by the way, and now we are watching on the live daily time frame. You can see that we had a very nice pump, but the price then got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $0.008, and now it is bounced very well from this support of $0.0035. And after this reversal, the price line was trying to break out this long-term resistance on that start from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005, approximately at half cents. But you can see that the price end is once again dropped down. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that we had just a spike beyond this resistance line, but could not break it out. By the way, this is a very long-term resistance zone that has been previously working as support zone here for several weeks, a month, and support here, and resistance here, and therefore again it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel, and we will also watch this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for BV Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. Now, on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 31st of December 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. In fact, when it was moving inside this previous down channel, at that time we found the resistance of this triangle in the month of April 2024. We got stable ejections, and here we had the support. By the way, this was a very long-term support zone from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. That was also breaking as a support of this triangle as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been working as a very strong and long-term support zone here in the month of December 2022 as well. Now, after the breakout from this triangle, now we are switched back to the daily time frame, and you can see that after the breakout from this triangle, we had a very nice pump. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this triangle, then technical target for this breakout is by the way here, approximately at $0.0095, and you can see that the price and went very close to this target but could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.008 and also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this quite long-term down channel, you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line so far is not able to break out this uptrend line resistance and this resistance of $0.008. Therefore, the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and that target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.5 cents. And now, if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge that is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.